Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Outlook and confirming the calendar you intend to send is active and synced to your account. This matters because unsynced events won't transfer. Once done, choose how you will send it as an IKES file, a sharing invitation, or a published link, since each method controls recipient access differently. Make sure to pick the proper date range and set permissions now, because you cannot change access after export. These initial choices determine recipient visibility. You now perform the core action. To export, choose File, then Save Calendar, set the precise date range and detail level, and save an IKES file to attach to an email. This gives recipients a static copy. Alternatively, use Home Share Calendar and pick Email Calendar to send an editable invitation with selected permissions. If you need live updates, publish the calendar online or get a sharing link. That path keeps events synchronized for everyone who receives the link. You finish by composing the message, attach the IKES or paste the sharing link, explain expected permissions and any steps to add the calendar, then send. After sending, make sure recipients can open the file or access the link. Ask for a quick read receipt or confirmation. If something goes wrong, verify your Outlook sync status, correct account settings, and that calendar publishing is enabled. Often resolving sync conflicts or permission mismatches fixes the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.